Okay, so this is probably one of the most simple concepts that we're going to go over in geometry this year. And it's the inequalities in one triangle is what the topic is. 5-3. It's the relationship between the angles and the sides. When the sides of the triangles are not congruent, there is a relationship between the sides and the angles of the triangles. So if one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side has the greater measure. And if one angle of a triangle has a greater measure than another, the side opposite the greater angle is longer than the side is longer. I'm just going to leave it as longer. All it's saying is the longer side is across from the larger angle. The smaller side of the triangle is across from the smaller angle. And the medium length side is across from the medium sized angle. That's it. That is all of it for today. So next is just examples. There's the examples that are worked out. And then the ones that I'm going to do with you. There's 6 examples. It says to list the angles. This is, I guess, is important. List the angles and sides, both angles and sides, in order from smallest to largest. So since I'm giving the sides, I'm going to find the smallest one. 23.7 is the smallest side. That's side RS or SR. The medium is 35. 35 is the medium side, so TS. And then the largest is 48. So that's TR. So all I did was list the sides in order from smallest to largest, based on the numbers given. And then I also need to list the angles. So to find the angles, the smallest side was 23.7. So across from 23.7 is angle T. So angle T is the smallest angle. Across from 35 is angle R. So angle R is the medium angle. And then the largest side was 48 centimeters. Across from that is angle S. So angle S is the largest angle. So you're just observing the given relationship. That one was sides. List the sides smallest to largest. And then go back and find the angle across from the corresponding side. So on number 2, I'm given angles. So I'm going to list the smallest angle. 40 degrees is the smallest angle, so that's angle T. Then 60 degrees is the next largest, that's angle R. The largest is 80 degrees, and that's angle S. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Across from 40 degrees, the smallest is this side over here. That's side RS or side SR. It doesn't really matter how you say that. So side RS. 60 degrees was the medium angle. Across from 60 degrees is ST, side ST, or side TS. The largest angle was 80 degrees. Across from 80 degrees is side RT, or side TR. Right, so I have another one with sides. Since I'm given sides, I'm going to go ahead and list the sides first. The smallest side is a length of 4. I'm going to call that side AC. I could do them at the same time and say across from that side is angle B. So I'm going to put angle B below it. Next, the medium side length is 5. So that's side BA. And across from the 5 is angle C. And then the largest side is the side that's the length 8. So that is side BC. And across from side BC is angle A. So that's the largest angle. All right, so here's one last plain example. Smallest side given is 5. That's side UT. And the angle that goes with UT is angle S. That's the smallest side and the smallest angle. The medium side would be 11. 11 is the next largest number. So that's side ST. And across from the 11 is angle U. The angle across from the side that's marked 11 is angle U. And then lastly, we have the largest side, which is side SU. And that is across from angle T. All right, so the next two examples only have 2 of the given angles. So the first thing you'll have to do is figure out what the missing angle is, right? We already know that all triangles have a sum of 180 degrees. So you have total in a triangle 180 degrees. So we need to figure out what is the missing angle. So if we just subtract the other 2 numbers, so minus 56, minus 58, then we get 66. So that means angle Y is 66 degrees. And then once you find that, now you do it just the same as the others. The smallest angle is 56 degrees. 56 degrees is angle X. And across from angle X is side YZ. So that's my smallest angle and my smallest side. The next largest number is 58 degrees. 58 degrees is angle Z. The side across from 58 is the medium side length, XY. And then last is the largest angle is 66 degrees. That is angle Y. Across from angle Y is the only remaining side, side XZ. So the larger angle is across from the larger side is across from the larger angle. And then the same thing with the last example, number 6. We have a triangle, so we know all triangles have a total of 180 degrees. If we subtract the given sides, we can find the missing one. So minus 60, minus 54. Again, it gives me 66 degrees. So the missing angle again is 66 degrees. And then after we have all 3 angles, we're going to list them from smallest to largest. Now, I did not go through your homework and see if some of them say larger or smaller. You do need to pay attention to that part, is which order it's asking for. This one, the smallest angle is 54 degrees. 54 degrees is angle T. And then the side across is side RS or side SR. It doesn't matter which order you put the letters on these. It's still the same side. So 54 degrees, 60 degrees, 66. So 60 degrees is angle S. Angle S is across from side RT. The largest angle is angle with 66 degrees, that's angle R. And angle R is across from side ST. So that is it for 5-3, inequalities in one triangle. You can tell which one's larger based on the angle size or the side length.